y'all. So, your girl is quickly approaching the end of maternity leave. So next week is my last week. Hubby is already returning to work, so we're gonna do a little like get ready with me maintenance vlog for you returning back to work after maternity leave. And so yeah, I gotta take you guys along with me. So today I'm gonna go just getting ready quickly to go to get a pedicure because girl. So I had a pedicure for my baby shower, which was 1 month before I gave birth, and now it's 2 months, so a total of 3 months. I did get gel, which I normally don't, but I got gel because I was like, I don't know when I'm going to get back here. The other thing is usually I don't get pedicures too often. I do like maintenance in between. I have a lot of home supply things for like doing my nails, gel, and doing pedicure stuff. But every once in a while I like to treat myself. In pregnancy, I could not bend over. Right now I can bend over. However, my body is just really still tired. I'm getting around a lot, better. But we're not 100%, right? And swelling and my ankles have just now kind of started to get back to normal. Like the swelling was insane. So my ankles look like normal ankles. But yeah, my feet, God bless the person who will be doing my feet. That's all I can say. And I'm gonna give them a tip because this mama, yeah, I just need that. Just need somebody else to do that for me today. So we're gonna finish getting ready and then go get back. This water feels so good, y'all, and my feet just feel amazing afterwards. Still have a little bit of swelling and discoloration, but so good. All right, can we give it up for the results? Yes. Feeling it, yeah. And then so happy I can wear my wedding ring again.